Hello everyone. Today we're going to be converting moles to grams. So, let's start off with super basic stuff. We're going to start with one element at a time. So, let's say we have 1 mole of carbon-12, or the most common isotope of carbon. So as you can see on my periodic table, it says carbon's AMU is 12.01. Now let's check a Flynn Scientific one, and it is the same. So we can write our AMU of carbon, our AMU to be 12.01. Okay, now we have 1 mole of this. So that just means we multiply our moles. So mole times AMU equals grams. So that's our very basic equation, you could say. So basically 1 multiplied 12.01, and obviously that equals 12.01 grams. So 1 mole of a standard carbon atom is 12.01 grams. Alright, so that's just for one element. Let's step this up. So let's say beryllium nitrate. So BeNO3 2. Actually, first let's go with water, because let's not get into this first. So H2O. So hydrogen's AMU is 1.008. Let's just say it's 1. So hydrogen is 1, but we have 2, so we're going to multiply that by 2. Okay, and let's put a dot line for oxygen. And oxygen is 15.99, so let's say 16. Okay, so that's just 2, and then plus 16, that equals 18. So water's AMU is 18. Okay, so we have 1 mole, and that just means it's 18 grams. Okay, well let's say we have 2 mole, and that would just be 18 times 2, which is, I believe, 32. Let me just check this. 36. I apparently can't do math in my head. Yeah, I think it's just because it's a half day. I think that's the reason, and I haven't had math in a while. Okay, so this should make sense, but let's try our more complicated compound. So that was beryllium nitrate, I believe. So BeNO3 2. Okay, so you take this, and then so beryllium's AMU is 9. So that's a 9. And then, so the way this works out is it's just like chemical balancing. So you have 2 of these nitrates, but this does not stay together. So you treat it differently. And what I mean by this is, so let's actually make a little chart here. So beryllium, AMU, so this is AMU. And then we're going to have nitrogen and oxygen, because those are our 3 elements. So you have a polyatomic here, but it's not really important in this case. So this is 9, that's 14, I believe, and this is 16. Okay, so let's see how many we have. So 3 times 2 is 16. So we have 16, 6. Boy, am I bad at numbers today. Okay, and then we have 2 of these, and we have 1 of these. So the equation to figure AMU, so AMU is equivalent to 9 plus 14 times 2 plus 16 times 6, which I've already done the math for, and this is 133 AMU. Okay, well, let's say we want 5 mole. We want 5 mole of beryllium nitrate. Well, we just multiply this again, and we should get our grams. And in this case, it equals 665 grams. That is our answer. So I hope this makes a little bit more sense, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.